Welcome back everyone, we're here at the Torquay main beach and we're going to head down and go for a walk. Mum's got Steve. Yeah, I think they're doing surfing lessons just up ahead in the middle here. Okay, even though it's about 18 or 19 degrees, according to my watch, 19, sorry, there's a few people here. Not that many. Obviously, looks like kids are doing surf lessons there. It's a paddleboard. I'm here with Mum and Steve Steve has been an absolute nuisance today. Just wants to walk wherever he wants to walk. It's a little bit breezy, you can see. A few people here with their umbrellas, enjoying the sun. Not many people obviously in the water. Yes, we've just seen another sign that says no dogs. Now I don't know if that's the actual beach or the walking path we're on. But as you can see, pretty cool day. A few people out. Found a few friends. He's a Jack Russell cross fox terrier.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's a big chicken.
Very chicken. Yeah.
Okay, and this is what Steve thinks of Torquay. He's having a dump. Well done, Steve.